Hey guys, Mr. M. It's time for reading. Now last lesson you had an assignment to watch a read aloud of The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. And I had a question for you. What is the pattern in this book? The book had a definite pattern. And what is a pattern? Just like in math, it's something that happens over and over again. Now, some of you answered, and Brian did a really good job. Brian said the pattern is that the caterpillar keeps eating more and more every day. That's true. But the pattern, we can go even more specific because this is a pattern of words. The words, some of the words are the same. It's not just that the same thing happens, but it's written the same way each time. Let's take a look at the first 3 days. No, the first 3 days of things happening, not the day he hatches. Starting with Monday. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Let's look. On Monday, he ate through 1 apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. Now, let's look at just those two. What's different about those 2 lines? First word is the same, on. What about the second word? I might put them in blue here. Monday, Tuesday. Those are both what? Those are both days. Let's keep reading. Same words now. He ate through 1 apple. He ate through 2 pears. What's different? I put the words in red that are different. 1 apple, 2 pears. So on day, he ate through something, but he was still hungry. They both end with, but he was still hungry. Let's look at that pattern. Let's move on to the next one. On Wednesday, Wednesday is also a day, he ate through some fruit, some food, but he was still hungry. All right, so we see a pattern right now. On Monday, on a day, he ate through a number and a piece of food. All right, but is there more pattern? I think there is. Let's look at the blue letters. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What's going on there? That's the order of the days. First comes Monday, then Tuesday is the next day, then Wednesday is the next day. So the pattern is, so far for the days, each page happens on the next day. Now what about the food? Let's see, he eats 1 apple, then 2 pears, then 3 plums. Now I don't know what the next food is, but how many of them do you think he's going to eat on the next? Well, first of all, what would be the next page? On what day do you think? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Probably the next day is Thursday. So on Thursday, how many pieces of fruit do you think he ate? Let's see, on Monday he ate 1, on Tuesday he ate 2, on Wednesday he ate 3. On Thursday, how many do you think he'll eat? I think he's going to eat 4, because that's the pattern. Each day, the number of pieces of food he eats goes up by 1, and each day is the next day. So there's the pattern. On the next day, he ate through 1 extra piece of food, or some kind of food, but he was still hungry. That's the pattern. So these patterns get really, really specific and tricky. So great job, those of you who saw a pattern, but when you do see a pattern, look deeper. Because when I mean what is the pattern in the book, usually I mean a pattern of the words. So it uses the same words over and over. And it changes them the same way. Good work, everybody. Now go do independent reading for 15 minutes. Bye.